In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Gears of War 1 split screen on PC and whether or not it is possible to do this. As of today, the official way to acquire Gears of War 1, also known as Ultimate Edition, is through the Windows Store. So if you look for Gears of War Ultimate Edition on the Microsoft or Xbox website, you will find this for Windows 10. You will be able to purchase the game here, playable on PC, and what you will notice is that if you browse through the capabilities, you will find online co-op and online multiplayer. However, in here, there is no mention of split screen, so let's browse a little more. Under the description of the game, we can find details, and one of these categories is going to be multiplayer features. So they are going to talk about the fast-paced matches, the DLC that are included, all the game modes. However, you will see no mention of split screen support. Even if you go here, they have Xbox Live achievements, gameplay improvements, alternate controls, keyboard or gamepad controls, deluxe skin packs. However, once again, no mention of split screen. So as of today, is it even possible to play split screen on Gears of War 1? Sadly, as it stands today and as you might expect, Gears of War Ultimate Edition only has split screen on consoles. It does not have split screen for the PC versions. This was a decision by Microsoft, and unfortunately it seems that there is no option or not even a mod to enable this. Usually, Nucleus Co-op is an app or a mod that allows you to do split screen on games where it is not natively supported, but because of the way this game is developed, Nucleus Co-op is not available for it either, so it is completely impossible to do split screen for Gears of War Ultimate Edition on PC. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that playing Gears of War 1 split screen on PC is currently impossible. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.